Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and welcome to another CNC project video. We're going to be pushing forward with the Pedestal Bed Project, and today we're going to actually be assembling the bed, test to see how it all fits together. But before we do that, we're going to have to actually put in the inserts. So let's go get it done. In another video, we originally tested these hole patterns with brass inserts from EasyLock. We got the same knife thread inserts from EasyLock, but this time they are stainless steel, and they went into this hard Ipe wood beautifully. Altogether, there were 64 inserts to assemble the entire bed. Now we can actually test the assembly process to see how everything fits together. Now with John's help, we were able to assemble this entire bed in less than 15 minutes. The only adjustments that we actually needed to make is oversize some of the through holes for the 1/4-20 bolts that held everything together. We simply drilled out 40 thousandths bigger than the original 1/4-inch hole, and everything fit together smoothly, fast, and simple. Now that we've proven that this project can be assembled correctly, we're going to now finish this off with a little sanding and finish work, and that will wrap up this pedestal bed. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making this project. It's always exciting to see everything come together to finish a project after spending so much time on it. Now, if you're interested in learning more about a legacy CNC and what it can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always talk to one of our CNC experts at 801-491-0010. You can also leave any comments or questions down below. Now, if you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations and CNC projects like this, I recommend you click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box, and as always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.